Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Hassan Raza from Institute of Zoology, University of the Punjab. And today I'm here to present my MPhil thesis abstract. And first of all, I'm really thankful to Professor Dr. Azhar Rasul, who is organizing secretary of 7th International Conference on Applied Zoology 2024. And first of all, I would like to introduce my research work. My research is related to paleontology, the study of fossils. I worked under the kind supervision of Professor Dr. Muhammad Akbar Khan from University of the Punjab. And first of all, I would like to introduce my research work. The fossils we collected from Siwalex, and Siwalex are foothills of Himalayas. These are extending from Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, and India. There are three major parts of Siwalik. The first one is Upper Siwalik, second one is Middle, and the third one is Lower Siwalik. The fossils we collected or actually belong to the Middle Siwalik. In the Middle Siwalik, there is particular site name as Jog Pathan Formation and village name is Hasnot. The fossils we collected are belong to Suidae family, and if we classify in a sequence that the fossils we collected are actually belong to order Artiodactyla and suborder Suiform family Suidae, and there are two species specimens we recovered. The first species name is Propotamocoharis acidricus, and the second species name is Hippopotamodon sivalensis. Now we are going to discuss the abstract of my thesis. New suet fossils, dentation recovered from the Dog Pathan Formation, late Miocene outcrops of Hasnod and Siwalex group in the Potihar Plateau of Pakistan. The recovered materials show morphometric similarities with Eurasian genera, Propotamocohyrus and the Hippopotamodon sivalensis. Based on these similarities, the material is allocated to the Propotamocohyrus hysodracus and Hippopotamodon sivalensis. Add further data on the anatomical character of these species, especially the molars of Propotamocohyrus hysodracus. Now we're going to discuss methodology. The studied material consists of specimens are actually a dental formations. The surface collecting method was used to collect the fossils. The collected specimens were prepared and displayed in the Dr. Abu Bakr Fossil Display and Research Center, Institute of Zoology, University of the Punjab, Pakistan. The measurements and nomenclature followed the article of Thang Hai 2005. Measurement have been taken with a digital vernier caliper and dimensions are given in millimeters. Photography has been done with the Canon 60 camera and figures has been prepared using Adobe Photoshop. Now we are going to discuss the specimen we recovered. The first specimen is PUPC 14/85. This is right upper molar 1, right upper M1. And the second specimen is PUPC 21/74. This is left mandibular fragment with a root of P4 and complete M1, M2. The third specimen is PUPC 21/75, posterior lobe of lower molar. And the fourth specimen is PUPC 21/77, posterior lobe of M2. Now we are going to show at point 5. There are two major main specimens that add further data on the anatomical character of the species Propotamocoides acidicus. On the right side, there is upper right M1. On the left side, there's mandibular fragment with the root of P4 and complete M1, M2. Conclusion of my thesis abstract is Propotamocohyrus Hycerdracus, the first species, and Hippopotamodon sibilansis, the second species, are reported from the Dog Pathan Formation of Middle Siwaliks, the posterior lobe of molar of Hippopotamodon sibilansis, and the mandibular fragment of M1, M2 with the root of P4 of Propotamocoris hycerdracus had substantial information in the anatomical and for morphological character and represent the taxonomic dominance of Seward taxon during the late Miocene. I want to acknowledge my thesis, abstract, and my all research to my honorable professor, supervisor, Dr. Muhammad Akbar Khan, who helped me a lot during the research as well as fieldwork in the every aspects of my research period. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.